Hello guys, this is presentation of our Binance algorithmic trading bot and signals group, and then the demo will follow later. So this is basically the intro is it just trades on futures based on some algorithms and your custom configuration, right? Let's go. 1 second. Yeah. So the first product is Signals Access. In case you don't want our bot to trade for you, you can choose to join the group of Signals Access. It's on our Discord or could be DM'd as well on Telegram or just in Telegram group. So you can access it and you can see some sort of signals there based on market analysis. And here we go. We say about the volume, change rate, quote-tested volume, how many orders there, and lowest price, highest price, and the charts of the heat map of how is the, orders are going through right now. And it's for futures, for derivatives. And you can, in case, sometimes when you don't trade, you can just mute the channel notifications so you don't receive anything until you turn it back on. So it's not annoying you. Okay, this is just for $5 per month. And the next product is our main product is automated trading. It's based on your configuration and it's for $100 per month. So what's the point is that it's totally customizable and it's the bot, the things that you see in the signals group, the bot trades it for you automatically. So you don't have to like follow and do it manually every time. It just trades for you. Okay. And also, we support both Telegram, Discord, in case which one is just more convenient. We offer 24/7 support, meaning all of your suggestions, all of your troubles will be solved within an hour or maximum a day. Just we're just customer oriented and focus on it. That's it. And we also offer some education, in case if you have some questions, something that's bothering you, we also can answer it, right? Anything. We can just go through your pain points, and if you have any suggestions or any bugs that you met, we also will fix it quickly. So this is for Binance right now, but if you have troubles based on your restrictions, regulatory restrictions, we can also add you support for KuCoin, OKX, Bybit, whatever exchange you want. All right. So in case if you wonder how the bot looks like, let me show you my screen real quick. This is the bot, how it looks like on Telegram. It will be fully configured to you. Okay, don't worry. So this is the bot and it shows my settings, basically stop loss, target, take profit, my position money, how much I'm trading with, my leverage, how many positions I want at the same time, like one, two, three, um, and is the bot running? Yes or no? My Binance API key and my Binance secret key. So regarding uh, Binance API keys, don't worry. In the Binance dashboard, when you provide us your API key to trade for you, I mean to trade for you as a bot, it needs access to your account, right? Like it needs access to your funds. So there in the dashboard, you can choose, just give access only to futures trading. So you don't have to worry at all. Yes. So this is how it looks like. This is your Binance. For example, this is Binance desktop. You can choose here what it can do API. So for example, it can read, enable reading. It means read some market data, what's happening. And also it's enabled features. You can edit it and turn off anytime, or in case you don't want it, you can revoke this key anytime so nobody can access your funds. And you can just choose what you want, enable spot trading. If you enable this, the bot will be able to trade on spot, meaning buy Bitcoin and hold it, and, and all of this stuff. Also, bot cannot withdraw your funds, meaning you don't have to worry like, oh, is bot gonna withdraw funds to the developer wallet? No, this will not happen because you disabled withdrawals. It's very easy. You just click enable or disable. It's very easy. Also, the security consideration is that you can restrict access to only trusted IPs, meaning we will provide you our server IP, so only our server will make requests and access your funds as a bot to trade. In case if your API key gets leaked, nobody can access us except the bot, right? So if your friends or your hacker sees this, you don't have to worry. He can't access from his IP address. So that's the security consideration, that so you don't have to worry. The risks are prevented. And yeah, so let's go through this configurations actually. You can see here, yeah, basically it has some custom configuration. Also, don't worry, after this slideshow, there will be a demo video. And now let's cover this configuration. So it has change minimum rate, meaning sometimes markets move. So you're not interested in 1% move. Okay, let's say 1% move, I mean just by one price movement, or you're not interested in 0.1%, or sometimes, even markets are dead, there's zero volume. Okay, and maybe you're interested only in 5% pumps or dumps, so it keeps dumping, if there is a bad news on FTX, something like that, it keeps dumping, right? So it's more than 5%, it's more than even 100%, right? So yeah, you can choose that, what's your minimum change rate, and you can change how much money it can trade for you. So meaning you set the limit like $5 or $10 or $100, uh, you set it manually here. uh, you can also change what kind of leverage you can do. So it means you can choose just no leverage, or you can say, hey, I want 10 leverage. It depends how risky you are, right? Because every trader has his own nature, has his own character, values. We want people to choose their own, configuration. And maximum position limit means how much positions you can open at the same time, meaning one, two, three, even thousand, hundred, say take profit, say stop loss. So uh, we can choose our own. We can set this for you, take profit and stop loss, but it will not make sense if you want to change it, right? So we want you to choose it. It depends how greedy you are, how uh, risky you are, right? The higher take profit and stop loss you put, the larger it means, the more you are willing to risk. And the thinner you put, it means the less you're willing to risk, right? But the less profit you'll make as well, or the higher you put, then higher profit and higher loss as well, right? So you have to manage the risk, and it's all configure, like you configured it yourself, right? And also inverse mode, meaning uh, sometimes the market is bearish, but it's better to open long in the long time, because you know that you're shorting the bottom, or let's say the market pumps the good news, everybody's buying. So you're buying at the top. You know it's also bad in the long term, right? Because it might drop, or there might be correction. So it's better to set inverse mode in that case. It depends on your mood as well. You can say, "Hey, I hear the bad news today," or "I I feel like there will be bad news, so let me set just inverse mode." No, it just opens shorts. If you say inverse mode true, it will open longs based on bad news, because you believe some good news are coming, and you'll make some good profit once it takes off. So yeah, it's also managed, but depends on your risks, how much are you willing to manage, right? uh yeah, basically that's it. Now let's move on to the demo of how it's working in the lifetime, in the live case, right? This is a demo of our trading bot. Right now we'll run the bot. It's made in Python, and it uses Python algorithms. So right now we're opening Telegram and Binance Dashboard. It's a Binance desktop app. So Telegram is to communicate with the bot, set some operations, and to show us what's happening. So bot messages us, hey, we just opened this trade, we just did that and this, it's reporting everything transparently. So we don't take your money, right? And in the Binance desktop, you can check it as well. All your trades are there, all your open orders or your positions, Also, the security aspect is that you can configure the API key that, our bot cannot do anything except trade on futures. For example, you can disable spot trading, you can disable withdrawals, so we cannot withdraw your money. Not only we, nobody. Okay, so that's the security part, so you don't have to worry. It just trades futures. So yeah, right now we just opened the position. You can see it automatically detected it. There was no human interaction. Nobody clicked this, buy, long, and short, whatever. It was all automated. So you can see here, it did in the open orders. You can see it's automatically set stop loss and take profit automatically depending on your configuration that you set in the bot. So it depends how risky you are, right? The stop loss and take profit. We don't set it for you. It's all configured by you. You tell us, okay, I'm risky guy. I don't want any stop loss. I want only take profit, maybe like 100%. Okay, bot listens to you. Or you say, I'm very careful guy. My stop loss is 0.1% after the price movement, and my take profit is, 1%, for example. So yeah, bot also listens to you. If you decide to research and stick with other bots, you can see that most of them have pre-configuration hard coded. So you cannot really play with them. You cannot do anything there. It's just all, they have all this configuration and they just set for you, and you just have to, it's like a money button for them. They promise you money button, right? So they promise that this bot will make you money. Okay, yeah, there is no doubt. I'm not questioning their credibility or something, but our bot is, you control it. If you have better algorithm than us, yeah, feel free. You can go to us on Discord, you can go contact us on Telegram, or you can contact the bot directly and say to the bot your comments. Hey, this is my algorithm. This is the method that I would love to stick with, and that's it. Bot will listen to you. You know, it's all customized. So when you subscribe to us for $100 per month, it's we set up custom bot for you. We set up the custom algorithms for you, tailored just for your needs. Because I understand every trader has his own needs. He has his own uh, characteristics, right? His own methods of weighing, or maybe you learn and from time to time you change your methods. And we don't want everybody to be just one person copy pasting each other, right? We want diversity as well. So yeah, just feel free. Also, in case if you happen to not have Binance, for example, Coinbase or KuCoin or Huobi or Mexi, any other exchange, please contact us too. We will resolve your issue. I mean, we will work this bot for your exchange. It's not a problem. So we can see, yeah, so orders going on, the bot is messaging us. It's automatically closing positions when the take profit is reached. Basically, it's all automated, right? Why this is cool? It's because, uh, sometimes the market moves so rapid, and maybe you can't notice, or maybe you're too greedy to set your, orders. Maybe you see Bitcoin pumping and you just can't control yourself, and you maybe open the long position, but the bot identifies it's a short position. Something like this. It's bot is easy to control your emotions, right? Bot doesn't have emotions. He just trades. And it's all configurable in terms of, you can say, hey, I don't want to trade with leverage. I just want one leverage. Okay. If you say 10 leverage, okay. If you say 100 leverage, okay. Okay, we will implement that. I mean, the bot has the configurations. And if you say, uh, I want to trade just $10 per every trade, or $0.1, or just $5, it's also okay. We just set it. You can also set up how many positions you want to set, right? If you want to set whether it's 100 positions at the same time or just one, to better focus and check the results. You can also set up inverse mode. Inverse mode means sometimes during the trading. Okay, first of all, let me explain you the change rate, change rate thingy. So change rate, it means if the price, sometimes the market drops really heavily, or it pumps crazily, right? Like 5% at 1 second, right? So sometimes it's 0.1, or sometimes it's just dead, nothing, no volume. So our bot identifies everything, and you can say, hey, if there is a jump of 5%, please take it into look, maybe it will jump even more. Maybe it's something manipulated, maybe something like that. So we will take into look into it algorithmically, and you can say 10%. I'm interested only in 10% pumps, huge pumps, because I know something. Maybe you're insider or something like that. Yeah, and now let me explain you what's an inverse mode. So when the market is bearish, meaning some bad news, maybe SEC is cracking down on something, or Binance, or some lawsuits. Obviously, every market, every token will turn. It will bleed, right? Basically, it will be bullish. It will be bearish, right? So the bot will open short positions. However, there is at some point you might be shorting the bottom, right? You might be selling the bottom. So it doesn't go even more bottom, but uh, just it doesn't make you much profit. So you would rather open long position during the bad news for the long term profit, because you might make more profit in the long term than in the short term, and also you might make even more profit, right? Because yeah, or let's say everybody is there's good news, so much good news, and everything is pumping, and at some point you might be like, I'm buying at the top, or I'm longing at the top, right? Which does make you profit as well. So you might open short positions at that time. So when there is a bad news, or just the market loses its momentum, you just gain some profit because the price drops. I mean, it's organic thing, right? Also, it's just how market works. All right. And also we have a minimum USDT volume, meaning some coins, they are really dead, and some coins are controlled by several people only. I mean, 90% of supply are controlled by several people only. So that's scary for you, right? Because they can do anything they want. Unlike some coins where people can trade freely, and community holds more. Yeah. So we have that option too. So you can say, hey, minimum USDT volume should be this. Minimum orders should be this. So in this case, it's less likely to be manipulative. Or maybe you like to trade manipulative coins. Up to you. Everything is up to you. It's all configurable. Today you trade something less volumes. Tomorrow you trade big volumes. It's you set in the bot, and you can see we are showing you the demo right now. Right now in the live, we're just running the script. We're being really transparent and just trying our best to just to get you from the ground. I mean, to even even if you have some questions about trading, about some volumes, maybe some certain case of some certain pump, some good news happened, but it dumped. Well, join our Discord and just ask us anything, right? Because we're available for the call, for anything. We're just here for education, for anything. You can just contact us. You can contact the community. If you made some profit, you can share it in the Discord. You can look at others' profit. And if you made some loss, you can tell us, hey, I made this loss. Maybe your algorithm is not really polished, and we'll look into it. We will not ban you, will not mute you. We just say, okay, we just accept your feedback and look into it, investigate this case. But yeah, we'll try our best to provide the customer support to you. So yeah, right now it's just demo, just showing you demo. I mean, we can DM you, whether it's a group, we can just post it in the channel, and basically for $100 a month, you get all of this support and also OG role in Discord, and yeah, basically you get all access to the upcoming listings information, because we do some also analysis of social media of exchanges. So we have the social media of exchanges, and sometimes these exchanges start to interact with some projects that they didn't list. So right now there is a probability of 50-50 is created, right? Because why would exchange interact with some protocol, right? Some token if they didn't list it. Maybe there's a new listing coming. So we detect that and we let you know in advance so you can buy that token, and or open long positions. Okay? And the beauty is also, uh, yeah, the risk is that The token might not be listed. Maybe, they didn't comply with the listing agreement or something like that, or maybe they just decided to go on with other things, other priorities. Yeah, that's the risk, but the profit is quite good, right? Because we know that during the listings of Binance or KuCoin, there is a huge pump coming. So we analyze that and basically provide our best to not just trading as a data, but trading as a wholesome information, meaning we gather all the data from the market, from the news, from the sentiment, from the Twitter, from Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, and we try to all of this we try to squeeze it and process through ChatGPT. So it saves us lots of time and it produces an output which you guys can use, which we guys can ourselves use, right? And basically make profit, right? Also, I think it's a really great value and opportunity. I mean, if you don't like it, like you can just say, hey, I don't like it, just leave the Discord, right? Or you can say what's wrong with us, why you didn't like it, and we'll fix it because we're really customer oriented. Like you can check our Discord, we have tickets for everybody, for every person. We don't ignore anybody, we don't ban or block anybody, right? So yeah, let's see if this is so yeah. So you can just so I will stop talking because it's just a demo of the bot and you can just see the later trades yourself in the screen. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions, any preservations, if you want a demo like this that I'm showing you through the video, if you want that, just contact us. We'll show you set up another demo for you. No problem at all. And maybe we'll implement new features by then. And or you have new ideas, new features, also welcome. Just contact us, and we're ready.